Hey there, fellow travelers and curious minds. Today, we're embarking on a thrilling journey to some of the most iconic destinations our planet has to offer. Welcome back to our channel, where we're about to unveil the 10 most visited sites in the world. From historic landmarks to natural wonders, get ready to be amazed by the places that have captured the hearts of millions. But before we dive into this exciting countdown, make sure you're subscribed and have the notification bell turned on. Trust me, you won't want to miss the incredible details and stories we're about to share. Get ready for a whirlwind of discovery, my friends. We're not merely scratching the surface here. We've dived into an extensive pool of research to craft the ultimate roadmap to the world's top 10 most visited sites. But hold on to your seats, because we've strategically saved the piece de resistance for the grand finale. That's right, our number one pick is a true hidden gem that ticks every conceivable box. The country ranked at number 1 in our countdown is our top recommendation for your next travel destination. Stay tuned to find out more about this exquisite gem. Ready to explore the world's most cherished treasures? 10. The Eiffel Tower, Paris, France. Our journey begins in the City of Love, where the Eiffel Tower stands tall as a symbol of romance and architectural splendor. From its stunning views of Paris to its intricate iron lattice design, this iconic landmark has earned its place as a must-see destination. 9. The Great Wall of China, China. Heading to China, we find the remarkable Great Wall, an awe-inspiring testament to human perseverance and engineering brilliance. Spanning thousands of miles, its history and breathtaking views attract visitors from around the globe. 8. The Colosseum, Rome, Italy. Stepping into ancient history, we arrive in Rome to witness the grandeur of the Colosseum. This amphitheater, once the epicenter of gladiatorial combat and entertainment, continues to mesmerize with its sheer scale and historic significance. 7. Machu Picchu, Peru. Nestled high in the Andes Mountains, Machu Picchu reveals the incredible ingenuity of the Inca civilization. Its stunning terraces, intricate architecture, and breathtaking backdrop make it one of the world's most celebrated archaeological sites. 6. The Pyramids of Giza, Egypt. Our next stop takes us to Egypt, home of the Pyramids of Giza. These ancient wonders, including the Great Pyramid, stand as a testament to the mastery of the Egyptian civilization and continue to captivate with their mysteries. 5. Statue of Liberty, New York City, USA. Crossing the Atlantic, we arrive in the United States to meet Lady Liberty. The Statue of Liberty's symbolism of freedom and opportunity is matched only by its grandeur and welcoming presence on the New York skyline. 4. Petra, Jordan. Venturing into the heart of Jordan, we uncover the hidden city of Petra. Carved into the rose-red cliffs, this archaeological marvel showcases the sophistication of the Nabatean civilization and leaves visitors awe-inspired. 3. The Taj Mahal, Agra, India. In India, we find the majestic Taj Mahal, an exquisite monument to love and architectural elegance. Its white marble facade, intricate details, and serene surroundings create an unforgettable experience. 2. The Great Barrier Reef, Australia. Diving into aquatic wonders, we explore the Great Barrier Reef off the coast of Australia. This living masterpiece is the world's largest coral reef system, teeming with marine life and offering an unparalleled underwater adventure. 1. The Vatican City, Vatican City. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for. The top spot goes to the Vatican City. This tiny sovereign state is a cultural and spiritual epicenter, home to the awe-inspiring St. Peter's Basilica and the magnificent Sistine Chapel, adorned with Michelangelo's masterpieces. There you have it, fellow explorers, our list of the 10 most visited sites in the world. From Paris to the Vatican, each destination is a testament to human achievement, cultural richness, and the boundless wonders our planet has to offer. If you enjoyed this journey through some of the world's most beloved landmarks, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more captivating travel content from around the globe. Until next time, keep exploring, keep discovering, and keep embracing the incredible diversity that makes our world truly remarkable.